Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to use yarn of these two colors for making a beautiful hat. I am going to use a hook of 4.5 mm for this project. So we are going to begin with yarn of color A and we are going to do slip knot. Now we have to do chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to do 40 chains. So complete doing 40 chains and we will meet again when these chains would be done. When we have completed doing 40 chains, we have to do chain 1, yarn over, skip first 2 chains into the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through all the 3, half double crochet, yarn over, into the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through, yarn over, pull through all the 3, yarn over, into the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through all the 3, yarn over, into the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through all the 3. So we have to do half double crochet into all these stitches, leaving 10 chains at the end of the row. So complete doing 30 half double crochet and we will meet again when these stitches would be completed. When we have completed 30 half double crochet plus these 2 chains, so there are 31 half double crochet. Now we have to do slip stitch into all the remaining 10 stitches. So insert the hook and pull through, slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1, turn the work. Now we have to begin with 10 slip stitches for the next row. Insert the hook and pull through, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through, into the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 2. So complete the row by doing 10 slip stitches on the top of 10 slip stitches of the previous row in half double crochet by leaving last 4 stitches, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When we have completed 10 single crochet and 26 half double crochet, we are going to add yarn of color B. So yarn over, pull these yarns like that into the next stitch, into the back loop of the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 2, pull through 3 and pull through 4, pull through all the loops, pull through, chain 2 for chain space, into the same stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn over, pull through all the loops. Now put the yarn like that, pull through, Now we have to do 4 remaining half double crochet. So half double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, turn the work, yarn over into the back loop of the first stitch, half double crochet 1, into the next stitch, half double crochet 2, into the next stitch, half double crochet 3. You just have to keep it in mind that all through this project we have to work into all the back loops. Now we have to do chain 2. Now put the yarn of this color B in the front. Now we have to continue doing half double crochet across the row, and into 10 last stitches we have to do 10 slip stitches into all the back loops of all these stitches. So complete the row following the same pattern, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When this row is complete, we have to do chain 1, turn the work. Now into all these 10 stitches we have to do 10 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to work into all the back loops, just keep it in mind. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to do half double crochet into all the stitches. So complete doing half double crochet to this point of the hat, and we will meet again when these stitches would be completed. When we completed 10 slip stitches and 24 half double crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through. Do not complete the stitch. Put the yarn like that, pick up the yarn of color B, pull through, yarn over. Now keep the yarn of color A like this into this loop. Insert the hook in, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, pull through, chain 1, yarn over into this loop, pull through 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn over, pull through all the loops. Now leave the yarn of color B, pull through. Now put the yarn of color B at the back and finish the remaining half double crochet. So half double crochet 1 into the back loop of all these stitches, half double crochet 2, 3 and 4, chain 1, turn the work. Now put the yarn of color B in the front. Now we have to do 4 half double crochet into the back loop. So half double crochet 1 into the back loop of the next stitch, half double crochet 2, 3 into the next stitch, 4 into the next stitch. Now we have to do chain 2. we have to continue doing 25 half double crochet on the top of 25 stitches, and we have to do 10 slip stitches at the end of the row. So keep on increasing the pattern in the same way to the length you require for the project. I completed 52 rows for a medium size of head. After folding this hat, I am going to work on these two ends of the hat by doing simple stitches. So with the help of yarn needle, we are going to sew these two ends. So we have to do just simple stitches to sew these two ends. So complete sewing these two ends, and we will meet again when these two ends would be joined. When we have completed sewing these two parts and these two ends are joined, we are going to work on the top of the hat. So just do the stitches in and out on the top of the hat, and just this hat is going to look like this when it will be completed. This hat is fit for the medium size of the head, but it is stretchable, so you can use this hat for medium to large size of the head depending on the size of the head. This hat can be used for the girls from the age of 15 and above. Thank you so much.